We've renovated the master suite, including the walk-in robe and also the ensuite. It's a very light and warming space that acts very much as a parent's retreat.
We redesigned the whole front half of the house.
We're going to be sectioning this part off and having the ensuite and the walk-in robe either side of the bed.
Yep.
So we are going to have a bigger window here in it. That should bring in a lot of light and brighten up this room. I think what we like the most about the master bedroom is the full-length windows. I think we made a great decision.
We had a very small ensuite where I could barely fit.
It's very small. No, you can't. No.
It's quite bulky.
Really
so
tiny.
It's a really tiny shower space.
And also,
It's very...
Yes.
and getting rid of all that color. This would be a part of the bedroom.
So the bedroom will probably come out to about here, I think. A couple will be back here, and I feel like we're still gaining some space
For the new bathroom. Okay.
In the ensuite, we've opted for 600 by 1200 tiles, which is great for cleaning because there's minimal grout lines, but it also gives you that really grand and spacious feel. Although this is quite a minimal home, we have chosen to put fluted glass in the ensuite, which is critical for privacy, but also lets in beautiful diffused light.
Of course, we wanted bright spaces, so we are very happy that we made the decision to have skylights in the walk-in robe.
It just brightens up the area. So for anyone thinking about a skylight, you should go for it.
Obviously, everything about the master suite I absolutely love. I love seeing the joinery, the tiling, all the bits and pieces that helped it come together. But watching the shears go in was a really memorable and exciting moment for me.
I just want to say a big thank you to Sumit and Rashmi. We hope you enjoy this beautiful home for years to come. We are so proud of this as a team. I'm sure you're going to enjoy every minute of it.
And a huge thanks to all the subbies that come into this job that we outsourced. They all did a great job. And the trades that work for MJ, just a big thank you. You know, wouldn't come together without you. Look at the results, brilliant.
It was a journey. We will cherish this for a long time to come.
It's always an absolute pleasure to see the job completed on the last day, but Hordern Street in particular is a really special project to me, which I'm super proud of, and I'm really thankful to have worked with MJ Harris Group and the team. I hope you love it as much as we do.